Yes. So we are going to solve questions based on derivation of formulae. In the first question, it is given that the velocity of water wave depends on the wavelength lambda, the density of water rho, and acceleration due to gravity g. Deduce the relation between them by using dimensional analysis. Right? So you have to derive a relation between velocity, lambda, density and acceleration due to gravity. Please check, try to solve on your own, and I am solving it for you on the board, right? A, B, C. Let us convert it into standard equation, temporary equation. Equation 1. Velocity is Lt minus 1. Wavelength is a type of length or distance. So what will be the dimension? L. Density is mass upon volume. Acceleration due to gravity is a type of acceleration. L raised to power A, L raised to power minus 3b and L raised to power c. L raised to power A minus 3b plus c and T raised to power minus 2c. Left hand side it is Lt minus 1. Applying the principle of homogeneity, B is, यहाँ पे B नहीं है तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे, सॉरी M नहीं है तो M की पावर 0, राइट. सो B का वैल्यू इज 0, फर्स्ट वैल्यू. A minus 3B plus C is equals to, what is the power of L here? 1, and minus 2C is equals to minus 1. C का वैल्यू is half. Let us frame that. So A का वैल्यू we have now, sorry, B का वैल्यू we have now and C का वैल्यू we have now. So A minus 3 into 0 plus half is equals to 1. A is equals to, ये सारा टर्म क्या हो गया, 0 हो गया. A plus half is 1. So A is equals to 1 minus half. So the value of A is also half. Putting value of A, B and C in equation 1. K, lambda raised to power A, what is A? Half. Rho raised to power B, that is 0. G raised to power C, that is half again. So V is equals to, something raised to power 0 means it becomes 1. So V is equals to K under root lambda and G, power is half, so we can write it like this. I hope everyone has got it. Any doubts in any step, please ask. Should we proceed? Root lambda G. Yes, correct answer. Proceeding. Second question. Yes. The question says, the velocity of sound waves V depends on density of the medium D and modulus of elasticity E. The velocity of sound waves depends on density D. कभी density को D से denote करेंगे, कभी rho से. Whatever is given in the numerical, accordingly you have to use. So velocity depends on density D and modulus of elasticity E, capital E. Deduce by the method of dimension the formula for the velocity of sound, given that the constant value is 1. It is given in the question. So velocity, density, modulus of elasticity. The velocity of sound waves depends on the density of the medium D and the modulus of elasticity, capital E. deduce the formula by the method of dimension given that the value of constant k is 1. It's given in the question. Please deduce it on your own, honestly. Still, if you have any doubt, you can have a look at the board. Let us solve. So variables हमने a और b मान लिए. इक्वेशन 1 LT minus 1 k हम नहीं लेंगे. डेंसिटी इज व्हाट? डेंसिटी इज ml minus 3. Modulus of elasticity. What is modulus of elasticity? It is stress upon strain. So dimension क्या है उसका? ml minus 1 t minus 2 raised to power b raised to power a. ml minus 1 t minus 2. Correct, right? m नहीं है तो m का पावर 0, l t minus 1 on left hand side, m का पावर a, m का पावर b, m का पावर a plus b, l raised to power minus 3a minus 3 आएगा ना, yes, minus b. t is not here, only t is here. t is equals to minus 2b. Only two variables a and b. So applying principle of homogeneity, directly I am writing a plus b is 0. Minus 3a minus b is equals to what? 1, क्योंकि l का पावर 1 है इधर. And minus 2b is equals to minus 1 minus 1. b comes out to be half. First value. यहाँ पे b का वैल्यू रखेंगे या यहाँ पे रख दो, both are the same thing. यहाँ पे रख देते हैं, इजीली आ जाएगा. a plus half is equals to 0, a is equals to minus half. As simple as that. So a का वैल्यू आ गया, b का वैल्यू आ गया. Put it in equation 1. v is equals to k d का पावर a, right? d का पावर minus half, e का पावर b, that is plus half. So let us make, ये 1 है, already दिया है, 1 into e का पावर, इसको नीचे ले जाएंगे, ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. सो v इज इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट e बाई डी. आई होप एवरी वन इज गेटिंग दिस. यहाँ पे k का वैल्यू 1 दिया है, तो आई हैव केप्ट k एज 1 एंड दिस इज योर फाइनल एक्सप्रेशन. वेरी गुड. v इज इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट e बाई डी. एनी डाउट्स प्लीज आस्क. Children, your class strength is low today, 64 minus 57. It means 10 students, not 10, 7 students are missing. Please be on time. Right? Any doubts, please ask. Yes. Proceeding to the next question. So the question says that the rate of flow V depends on coefficient of viscosity eta, radius of the pipe R and pressure gradient L. Pressure gradient already हमें question में दिया है, it is P by L. Right? The value of constant K in this question is given as pi by 8. Right? So let us start. Let us take the units as A, B and C. And form the equation k eta e raised to power a, b and p by l as c. Equation 1. This is rate of flow. Rate of flow is volume upon time. L3 t minus 1. Eta is coefficient of viscosity ml minus 1 t minus 1 raised to power a. Not a single dimension should be wrong. आपका एक भी wrong dimension आपने लिखा, the whole question goes wrong. So you have to be very careful when you are writing the dimension. L का पावर B and pressure gradient is pressure upon length. So that will be pressure upon length ml minus 2 t minus 2 raised to power C. I hope I am writing correctly. Pressure gradient. Yes, ml minus 2, T minus 2. So m नहीं है, we will consider m as 0, L3 T minus 1 is equals to m raised to power A, m raised to power C, m raised to power A plus C. L is minus A plus B minus 2C. Please cross check. Minus A minus 2C. Applying principle of homogeneity. So we can write A plus C is 0. Minus A plus B minus 2C is equals to 3. And minus A minus 2C is equals to what? Minus 1. Okay. So this is the equation in A and C. This is also the equation in A and C. Because it has 3 variables, so we will not touch this equation. What we will do? We will solve this and this equation. So A plus C is 0. Let us keep minus A minus 2C is equals to minus 1. Yes. Cancelled? Yes. That also we can write. Yes, we can do that way also. But I am solving it simultaneously. So this get cancelled out. This becomes minus C is equals to minus 1. Right? So what is the value of C? C is equals to 1. ये हमारे पास C आ गया. Putting this C here, A plus C is equals to A plus C is equals to 0. So A plus 1 is equals to 0. A is equals to minus 1. A का वैल्यू भी क्या आ गया? minus 1. Right? This is minus C na? Minus C is equals to minus 1. A minus 2C is minus 1. No, the value of C will be 1 only. So putting value of C here, A plus C was 0. So A comes out to be minus 1. Yes. Right? Minus A plus B minus 2C is equals to 3. What is A? Minus 1. Minus into minus 1 plus B minus 2C. What is C? 1 is equals to 3. So ये becomes plus 1, minus minus plus हो गया, plus B, this is minus 2 is equals to 3. So क्या आएगा? Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, B minus 1 is 3 and B is equals to 3 plus 1, that is B is equals to 4. So A आ गया, B आ गया, C आ गया. Now we will put it in the equation. So what was the equation? V is equals to K का वैल्यू दिया है pi by 8 eta raised to power A, eta raised to power minus 1, right? R raised to power B, so R raised to power 4. P by L raised to power C, so P by L raised to power 1. Let us make this final. Pi by 8 R raised to power 4 upon eta P by L. This is your final equation. Right? Any doubts in any step, you may check.